Now, question of the day, our target, how can determine equivalent resistance between A and B terminal? So how can determine this value? Okay, very carefully look here. This one is 20 ohm, this one is 10 ohm, this one is 10 ohm, and this one is 30 ohm. So how can determine? Look here very carefully. First of all, if you see these two, now these two are in series. It is so 20 and 10 are series. But what about these two? If you see these two, okay, this one is B terminal and that one is also B terminal. Okay, what is the meaning of that one? Simply, if this one is connected to a battery source, okay, whatever with the battery, and here current I, this current is going follow this path. Okay, no current flow in this path. Why? Because of these two are same potential. If these 2 points are same potential, it means voltage difference between these two is 0. Okay, so what about current? Suppose that this current is I1 and this current is I2. Okay, clear? So I2 basically is written as potential difference, means VB, V of VB divided by whatever 10 and 30 both are in series, so that is 40 ohm. VB minus VB, because of both are same potential, so here 40. So what about I2? I2 is 0, clear or not? So no current flow from this path. Why? Because of these two are same potential. So current follow which path? That path. Okay, means that current I, this equal to I1, not equal to I2, clear or not? Why? These two are basically dummy. You can say that these two are dummy resistance, so you can remove from the circuit. Okay, so you can remove from the circuit. Then you can say that what about R of AB? So R of AB basically you can say that 20 plus 10, 20 plus 10, this will equal to 30 ohm. So 30 ohm is the right answer. Okay, if you face any confusion, then you can try another method also. Okay, so this is the first method. If you not understand, how can sir I am not understand this one? So simply you can follow other procedure. What is the procedure? Simply first of all you can remove that one. Okay, our target, if you see very carefully, our target, what about RFAB? Simply these two are same potential, so simply right now B, this one is also B. Okay, now you can draw here A and that is B, A terminal and B terminal. So A to B, if this point is C, so here C, A to C 20 ohm connect, and C to B also 20 ohm, clear? Now if you consider that point is D, okay, so this point is D. Now B to D 10 ohm, so you can say that's a 10 ohm, no problem. B to D again this one is 30 ohm. Okay, now but our target, what is our motto? Our motto determine equivalent resistance between A and B. So A and B, okay, so simply 20, whatever CB is 10, so silly mistake here, that is 10 ohm. So right now, okay, so A to B, R of AB is how much? Simply 20 plus 10 is how much? 30 ohm is the final answer. Again you can see these two are dummy resistance. Okay, make it.